Well, there you go. There's my long shelves now. Cut all those up. There's 3 full length ones, and then there's a little short one I can use somehow. And there's my Formica countertop, and I cut it like that. Initially, I was just going to put it on one wall about 5 feet or so. Then I was going to waste about 1.5 feet of that or more. And I thought, hey, maybe I'll just do it in the corner, like an L-shaped deal. So I made one coming out this way, about 40 inches, and I actually wanted almost 60 inches this other way. And so the last bit, since this shorter one goes all the way against the wall, it sticks out 18 inches, then I'm going to put the other one from there over. And when I cut it, I made sure that the factory edge was on this joint right here, okay? And then that'll be nice and straight. I mean, I cut a pretty straight line anyways, and I swept it all up. Doesn't even look like it was out here, huh? Now I can put that stuff up there, and I can make some shelves for later. And to think I was going to throw that stuff away. Hey, when you get done cutting these, don't just think you're done. I took a wood rasp, thin, fine thread, fine rasping, rough, concaved, fine, rough, and I hit the edges on where I cut, especially on the melamine shelving. And then I took my rag and I dusted all the melamine shelving off, scraped off any extra caulking that was on the melamine shelving, and checked out all this stuff, wiped down everything, because I don't want all that sawdust everywhere and I don't want rough edges. Okay, so I cleaned all that stuff off and swept everything up. Now I'm done cutting everything. See what I'm saying?